welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be sharing how I get ready to office by using just 3 products. Now the first product is a concealer. This is by K-Beauty. This is in the shade 100 Violet, and I'll be just using very little product to hide my dark circles and the fact that I stayed up late last night reading a book or scrolling through Instagram. So anyway, let me just blend it. I just use my hands because I'm just too lazy to use any brush, because again you need to wash it frequently and stuff. So I just feel that using your hand is a better alternative. I have already done with my skincare. Okay, so you can see already my under eye is bright, and let me just do this one. Use your ring finger to lightly dab under your eye. This is going to put exact amount of pressure that is needed, not too much, not too less. Okay, yeah, I think we are done. No, it is looking a little bit extra here, but it will settle down in some time. Okay, so next I am going to use a blush. Now usually I use the same thing that I'm going to use on my lips, so I'm just use the same lipstick that I use every day. I mean, it changes every day, but the same lipstick is what I apply on my cheeks. But this one, that's Maybelline, that I'm going to apply today, it's highly pigmented and it gets dried very fast, so I don't think it is the best lipstick to use as a blush. Alternatively, I will be using Kiko Milano. This is a lipstick that I got some time back. I loved the shade then under those that lighting and everything, but when I applied it, I just felt that this just washes my face out, so I use it as a blush instead. Now, again, I'll be just using a very little bit of the lipstick now. So it's almost over, so I'm barely getting any product out, but yeah, so this is the amount of blush, and then a little bit on my nose. Let me now gently tap it. Yeah, so I just make sort of C with your side of your forehead to your apple of the cheeks, right? So this gives you a very natural look and also defines your face, like it just lights up your face. This might not work for all the face type, but this is something that works for me. Now let me just finish with this. The next thing, the final product, is going to be my lipstick. Let me just apply. I love this shade. This is Maybelline Super Stay in the shade Versatile 210, right? Okay, so I'll be sharing the link in the description below, but I just love this color. It stays all day long. It doesn't budge. It doesn't, no matter what I do, like even if I eat food, I drink water, nothing happens to this lipstick. I really love it. If I'm feeling a little adventurous, I apply mascara as well. but I am a very lazy person, so coming back and making all that effort to remove the eye product is too much for me. So I don't apply mascara every day. I am ready to go to office. Try this out, let me know how it works for you guys, and if there are any products that you think I should include in my routine, let me know in the comments. Bye bye.